video. In this video, we will be discussing about Jinja2, the template engine. So in the prompt flow, if you see Jinja2, it's heavily used. So we need to understand what is this Jinja2 and how do we use it. Jinja2, it's just a tool that let you combine the fixed data with the dynamic data. For instance, let's assume that you are building a HTML page. However, you wanted to keep the page dynamic. You don't want to keep everything in the HTML page. Rather, like you wanted to have the layout and like you wanted to pass the content so that the page will look like a dynamic page, right? So that kind of a thing can be implemented using the template engine. Template engines are available for most of the languages. For instance, JavaScript uses handlebars and Ruby has ERB, PHP has one. So for Python, we have a Ninja. So basically it just follows the Python syntax and it is very convenient. So now let's see like what can be done with Ninja2. So we can use this particular web page to demonstrate. So if you see here, like I have a basic template. So if you see here, like I say hello and this is called a placeholder. So you just copy paste the template here. So it has fixed data as well as it has the placeholder. So for the placeholder, I will pass this value. So you read it like a name is equal to Karthikeyan and I render it. So what happens is that it takes the data name equal to Karthikeyan and replaces the placeholder and it prints the result, right? So this see what and all can be done. So we can create a loop. If you see here, just uses the Python syntax for. So here like we will have a set of fruits and for each fruit we will print using the capitalize. So we just go here, replace that and take the data and add it here and render the template. Now if you see here, it just takes the data fruits and prints each fruit using capitalize. Now we can also have conditional statement. So if we just come over here, it just has the if else. So you can just replace it here. So it says that if a role it's a student, you print this, else you just print a welcome back. So I just go here, take this content, render the template. It says that you are a student, keep learning, right? So basically like using Jinja2, what do? We create a kind of a layout that will have the fixed data and the placeholders. You can pass the so that the placeholder will get replaced by the Jinja2 engine. So keep everything hard coded in your prompt. Rather like you wanted to have a basic structure and you wanted to feed the data dynamically so that the prompt will have the proper data before we submit to the LLM. All I have for this video. Thank you for watching.